his own Facebook profile because your profile is filled with pictures of Ronnie anyway. But it really is true. When you put the camera, you will look at it and just post.
So Ronnie is 2 or 3 years old, right? 3 years old?
Yeah, he's 3 years old. His birthday is 27th of April.
And what kind of a cat is Ronnie?
Siberian.
Siberian.
I looked it up today.
It's a very nice
what that breed is like, because we're not used to having specific breeds since we've always gotten them from shelters.
Ronnie.
I have his family. Yeah, well, he really likes to play with other people, but he's fine with playing for himself too. I have like these small toys like this,
The mouse.
and like the small mice, and he just used to playing it himself.
He's really a beautiful cat.
Ronnie likes to play. Well, that's good, you know. It helps him relax a little bit too.
Exactly.
You don't take that long to warm up too.
No. Some cats take like weeks, but this one looks like it's
he's so sweet.
yeah, it's a good cat.
Yeah.
Very soft too. He was very soft when I got him, and I was worried like his fur would change or it's still as soft as one of little kids.
Well, it looks like a little lion. That's what
I
it looks
know,
like.
so pretty.
I just keep it filled, and he just eats whatever he needs, and he keeps it for later if he doesn't need it. And then at night I give him half a bag of like the wet food, because if I give him the whole bag, he'll think it's someone.
Oh, I see.
My feet, and he'll wake me up in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
That's the reason why I don't keep him in the bedroom now. No.
It's probably because of its age as well.
It's young.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Maybe I could train him to just rest on my bed, but I haven't really. I think this is his area. Like he has all of the house, I can have my bedroom.
Yeah.
It's a nice cat.
Yeah.
I think like during it's like his evening meal, I have like the wet. He really.
Oh,
likes
I see.
But I have half a bag because the whole bag is too much for him. For 3 seconds, like okay, this is fun, but I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
But when I'm watching TV or anything on the couch and I'm lying there, he'll be like, okay, now it's cuddle time. He gets onto my lap and I can't stand up because it's like I'm on your.
Hey, buddy.
It's the place for you, you know.
Yeah.
We always feel like we never know. Like we always feel like there's not just one place. I always say there's going to be one place where I feel, because I actually do like the society, but yeah, the weather a little. I would like it to be a little bit warmer and stuff.
Come here, buddy.
But I said,
What are you worried about?
I never feel like we fit into one society. Like we always feel like, I mean, we can acclimate to a place, but there's always, you know, wondering, like, to kind of pick up. But I think for now, especially since I always knew he wanted to move, ever since we've been together for 13 years.
Really?
Yeah, we've been together for a long time.
What are you?
Like normally it doesn't get extra.
No, this is just at 5 or at 6. I just give him this. Whenever I get my food, he really likes to eat as well. So I do like half of this, otherwise he would leave it. Yeah, I know, I'm taking too long.
It's time for wet food, Ronnie. Ronnie, time for your wet food.
It's salmon today. I just had like this from Albert Heijn.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's like, and half of that, because if I give him the whole bag, he'll leave. There you go. And then he starts eating it, and he does eat this like at once. He really likes it.
Yeah.
So it's his evening.
All cats just love wet food.
Yeah.
You know?
He likes it.
Yeah.
I think in about 3 seconds he's gonna sit down.
Okay.
He always does this. He just goes for the bowl and then it's like, okay, I'm going to sit down and eat more. Okay, do it, Ronnie.
Okay. Well, goodbye, Ronnie. Huh?
I have his water here and I refresh it throughout the day.